Can you fill in the gap? Stay till the end of today's lesson to find out the answer. Hello, my favorite student, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, English with Speaker. My name is Tanya. You're watching lesson 2 out of 6 in the series about confusing words in the English language. In today's lesson, we are going to focus on watch, look, and see. Let's start with look. We usually use it when we move our eyes in some certain direction. When we turn our eyes to an object and pay attention to it. We do not expect the object to change or anything. We just turn and look at it. We look at some object, and it is very important to remember about the preposition at and use it if you use an object after it. Look over there. There is no object, so there is no need in at. Look at the dog. We have an object, the dog, so we need at. Next one is watch. When we watch something, we look at it for a long period of time, and this something is changing or moving. So we focus our attention, like for example, right now, you are watching this lesson. You are focusing all your attention. Now, see. See means noticing something using our eyes, but we don't focus on it. For example, I saw you in the park last night, which means I noticed you in the park last night. Now, look at these two sentences. I saw Avatar yesterday. It was amazing. I watched Avatar yesterday. It was amazing. Is there any difference? There is. In the first one, we basically mean I went to the movie theater and saw a film there. But in the second one, we mean I stayed at home and watched a movie on my laptop or on TV. So when we talk about the outside, the world behind the walls of our houses and flats, we use see. See a football match. That means that you will go to the stadium. Or see a film. That means that you will go to the cinema. But if we talk about at home, we use watch. Watch a football match. We use TV for that. Or watch a ballet. Again, we use TV or our laptop or YouTube. Alright, now let's test you a bit. Here are 5 sentences. You will have to fill in the gaps with watch, look, or see. The first one. Emma, please don't look at it. Sentence 2. I can't wait to see you perform tonight. Sentence 3. I haven't seen him lately. In this case, see means meet. Sentence 4. Did you watch the football match on TV last night? Sentence 5. I can't see the stars. It's cloudy. Now let's go back to the beginning of our lesson. Can you fill in the gap here? I love the place. I can look at the view all day. Well done. Bravo. Now, I hope that you enjoyed this lesson. And if you did, like this video, share it with your friend or a family member, and subscribe if you haven't done that yet. But that's it from me. Thank you for being here with me today. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!